Moss stitch, also known as seed stitch, has a decorative surface which is identical on both sides and lies very flat. It's created in the same way as rib by alternating between knit and purl stitches, but instead of lining up the V's in columns, they're offset to create a bumpy, textured surface. When you're working moss stitch, it's easiest to begin with an odd number of stitches on your needles. That way you can always begin with a knit stitch. So, with your yarn in the back, knit the first stitch. Bring the yarn forward between the needles and purl the next stitch. Yarn back and knit. Forward, purl. Back and knit. Forward and purl. Continue alternating between knit and purl stitches all the way to the end of the row. And if, as I have, you have got an odd number of stitches on your needles, you will finish with a knit stitch. And then when you turn around, you're going to start the next row also with a knit stitch. If you had put an even number of stitches on your needles, then you would have had to begin this first stitch with purl, and then the following row would have been a knit stitch, and you would alternate the rows in that way.